A heartiest welcome to all of you. This is your very own host Fawzia P. Khan. To all those teachers, professors, HODs and principals, a very happy news to all of you out there. With the present situation of teaching staff is so abnormal, we thought from EduStock and Brilliancy would be a wonderful plan for some of you to take this program for teaching staff to earn rupees 3 lakhs to 10 lakhs by the part-time. Yes, this you can earn in spending your time of just 10 to 15 days in a lifetime. So let us understand the courses of EduStock. All the programs starts at just rupees 499 with the stock market related courses for 6 programs. Ladies and gentlemen, I shall take you to the more courses of EduStock and Brilliancy. Courses of EduStock from +1 to master degree, all the programs starts at just rupees 499. Job-oriented courses with 14 different programs. Wonderful, isn't it? For all the students out there where you as a teacher, a professor, an HOD or a principal can offer some amazing programs from EduStock and Brilliancy. Courses of EduStock and Brilliancy. For +1 to master degree, all the programs starts at just rupees 499. Personality development programs have 8 different programs and computer-based programs are about 4 different programs. Moving over with the courses of Brilliancy from 8th standard to 10th standard, all the courses starts from just 499 as a personality development program with 8 different programs and computer-based programs with 4 different programs. To all of you out there, the partners of in EduStock, the lecturers and the professors are the partners. Yes, he or she will first create their partner code. He or she is a person who go and approach the colleges and talk with the head of the college person. It can be the principal, explain about the EduStock and create the college code and tell them to register with the students. Then provides college code. There no need to pay registration fees to enroll with EduStock. To all our partners, this is going to be a very wonderful deal with EduStock and Brilliancy. The partners with Brilliancy, in Brilliancy, teachers are the partners. He or she will first create their partner code. He or she is a person who go and approach the schools and talk with the principal or the HM, explain about the Brilliancy and create the school code and tell them to register with students. Then provide school code with then no need to pay any registration fees to enroll with Brilliancy. Let me just quickly take you to how exactly you will be getting your earnings. This is just one example. Suppose students took one online program or a course which will be a subscription of rupees 999. Teachers will get 10% of the course, that is 100 rupees. Yeah, principals will get 20% of the course, which is 200 rupees. Now, let me tell you, if teachers will join 5,000 students, they can earn about 5 lakh rupees. If a principal joins about 1,500 students, they can earn about 3 lakh rupees. What an amazing benefit just being a part of EduStock and Brilliancy. So teachers and students, you need to really grab that opportunity and go ahead and understand that you can earn and they can gain. It's always worth being with EduStock and Brilliancy. I'm quickly going to be taking you to become the partners. What all would you need? You need to provide us with your personal details, name, father's name, address, PAN card, Aadhaar card and account details with the beneficiary details. To all the colleges out there, he or she, the principal, is a person who go and approach the students, for example, about the course in EduStock and tell them to register with students. For interested students, they can provide college code. And for schools, he or she, the principal or the HM, is a person who go and approach the students. Example, and explain about the course in Brilliancy and tell them to register with students. For interested students, they provide school code. So we have some wonderful benefits for colleges and schools. He or she gets 20% in the fees on one course. For example, if course fees is just ₹999, if suppose college or school has a strength of 1,500 students, he will earn about 3 lakh rupees in just a span of 10 to 15 days. Isn't that amazing? These in just in one example, here you have so many different courses. As assume how much you can earn. So you can yourself assume what is the number of money that you can make with EduStock and Brilliancy. Just a word of mouth to students and you can earn this in some amazing beneficial to all those colleges and schools. I'm quickly going to be giving you a small example of how you can earn with just one course. Here we have 12 plus courses. Suppose students took online course and subscribed for ₹999, teachers will get 10% of the course, which is 100 rupees, and principals will get 20% of the course, which is 200 rupees. And with teachers, 10% of the course, which is 100 rupees. If you join 5,000 students, they can earn about 5 lakh rupees. And with principals, if you join just about 1,500 students, you earn about 3 lakh rupees. What an amazing beneficial offer with EduStock and Brilliancy. So this is just a small example. I'm sure all of you would look forward to join us and be partners with EduStock and Brilliancy. I'm quickly going to be taking you with some details that you will have to provide as being from the college or the school. You will have to give us your college or school name, name of the beneficiary, father's name, address, PAN card number, Aadhaar card number, account details and the beneficiary details with your account details so we can drop in all of the money which you earn with EduStock and Brilliancy in your account balance. That way you can make some amazing money, and there are some amazing, like anybody else was going to be having, there are some terms and conditions. The students can watch many number of times within 24 hours whichever course he or she had selected. The students must watch these videos on weekends or holidays only. So due to groupism in college school hours, so please do note we provide study materials and e-certification with EduStock and Brilliancy. Alright, with some great opportunity comes some great doors to knock, and if this is the door that is knocking your opportunity door, so why not just be there and grab this wonderful opportunity. To all these teachers, principals, HODs and professors, this is the time you grab and make some number of money in this abnormal period of time. However, I'm sure you guys do not want to miss out. Make sure you people are with us and register with us as early as possible and get your opportunity door to be knocking in and some money which can be flowing in. There will be no registration fees to become a partner, which is an amazing thing. Enroll now and start earning immediately with EduStock and Brilliancy. With those amazing great opportunities, we extend our thank you that you did watch us, and I'm sure a lot of might have changed with just the thought process that you were going with. This was with EduStock and Brilliancy. If you guys want to go ahead, make sure that you give us a toll-free number 1800-890-220-2204. Contact us at 8088-416908. Then we have another number 93422-55055. Yes, please do visit our website, which is www.edustock.in. Brilliancy, be a master of studies. To contact us, the toll-free number is 1800-890-2203 or 2204. Contact us on 8088-416905, 8088-416906. Please do visit our website, which is www.brilliancy.in. Thank you for being with us. This was your very own host, Fawzia P. Khan with EduStock. Be a master in life, and Brilliancy, be a master in studies. Why not just be the partner, grab the opportunity, and let us help you earn and knock knock. The door is always open. Welcome. We will be more than happy to join hands with you and become partners.